Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. Your Jio phone has an active SIM and mobile data is on because location needs connectivity. Next, open the app you'll use, usually GeoChat. Some models send location via messages. Once done, navigate to the chat or contact you plan to share with. Make sure battery is sufficient so the phone won't shut down mid-process, and keep Wi-Fi or mobile signal stable. This prevents incomplete or delayed location update. You now open the recipient's conversation and tap the menu or attach icon to find location or share current location. When the phone asks for permission to access location, accept it so GPS or network coordinates can be read. Wait a few seconds for the device to get a precise fix. Higher accuracy matters, so the other person sees the right spot. Then tap Send or Share. You should see a map preview confirming the location was included in the message. Finish by confirming the message status, delivered or read, and ask the receiver to verify the map pin. If the location didn't send, toggle mobile data and GPS, wait 10 seconds, then try resending. Often a quick reconnect fixes network or permission glitches. If problems persist, restart your Jio phone and reopen the app because a reboot clears temporary faults. As a last resort, update or reinstall the messaging app so you have the latest location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.